Today we're going to replace secondary fuel filter on Kubota mini excavator, and we have KX040-4. Let me show you, it's pretty easy. Let's open the hood, and our secondary fuel filter is located right at the center. This guy is our secondary fuel filter, and as you can see on the bottom we have a fuel shutoff valve with a fuel water separator. There's a cartridge inside, and this is a primary filter separator, and here's the fine secondary filter. Before taking a filter out, I always like to blow all dust and debris with a compressor. Keep everything nice and clean now. Good. Almost ready to remove the filter. Let's put a spill pad rag underneath because some fuel will come out. And for the removal, I'm going to use the pipe pliers. They were great. Let's take that old filter out, grab it with the pliers and break it loose. Like that. It's coming. When it's loose, we can spin it by hand. Here we go. Pliers out and remove the filter completely. Some diesel fuel might come out. Here we go. Dissolved filter. Clean paper towel. Let's wipe that fuel filter housing. Make sure we don't have any debris or dirt, and that way filter won't leak. Beautiful, nice and clean. Here's a new replacement filter from Kubota. Here's a part number, as you can see. I will put more information down in the description below. Let's open it up, take this plastic film out, and I like to pre-fill the filter. Let's do that. Fresh diesel. I will have a less air in the filter. If this video is helpful, informational, put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Very appreciated that. Beautiful, good enough. Let's put some lubrication on a rubber o-ring. Make sure it's not dry. Nice. Alright, let's go install the filter. And installation is opposite to removal. We'll lubricate the rubber o-ring. Spin the filter by hand, never use any tools. And soon as the filter touches the base with the gasket, and we go 3/4, 1 turn. Yeah, 14 Newton meters. Okay, let's do it. Let's carefully place it in and start spinning like that. As soon as it touches, so you can feel it. Now let's touch the base and let's do the turn. 3/4, 1 turn. We're almost done. Next we have to purge the air, whatever is sitting in a housing. I have my container here. Let's set it here like that. Nice. Here's a bleeder screw and the valve. Let's extend the hose like that. Nice. And now we can crack the valve open. 10 mil. Just a little bit like that. And now I'm going to turn the key to the on position, run the lift pump and purge the air out. You can hear the pump is working, pumping air, and we have a solid stream of fuel. Very good. Let's tighten this screw. Check. Nice. And turn the key off. Air is out. There's some fuel. Let's take this little hose. It's helpful. It's better than just running the pump without this extension at the filter housing, otherwise it will create a mess. As you probably know, your Kubota came with this handy sticker: maintenance intervals, service at first 50 hours, then as scheduled. Read it, all useful information is here. I will put also some extra information about the part numbers, intervals down in the description, but always check your owner's manual. Now I'm going to start the machine and let it run, and the rest of the air will get pushed through the system. And we're going to check for any leaks. For a minute and shut it off. Let's write in hours when we change the filter. Thank you so much guys for your time watching this video, and if you have any comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Remember, take care of your Kubota, and your Kubota always will take care of you.